Grandmother spider in her wisdom calls my soul into her web, and I just stop and listen while my whole being is wrapped in threads of vibrations she is weaving with the light that she is keeping while she's spinning in my shadows, weaving music. Grandmother spider in her wisdom calls my soul into her web, and I just stop and listen while my whole being is wrapped in threads of vibrations she is weaving with the light that she is keeping while she's spinning in my shadows, weaving music. And she reminds me of the responsibility. I hold all of these threads winding out of me, and she told me to weave my own reality that ripples out to all I see and all I cannot see. Let me bring harmony. May everything I am be always singing out the love in me, always spinning divine frequency. I can dance in the dark where nobody sees, unravel all of the discord in me with their 8 eyes watching over me. Blessed be. Grandmother spider in her wisdom calls my soul into her web, and I just stop and listen while my whole being is wrapped in threads of vibrations she is weaving with the light that she is keeping while she's spinning in my shadows, weaving music. And she reminds me of the responsibility. I hold all of these threads winding out of me, and she told me to weave my own reality that ripples out to all I see and all I cannot see. Let me bring harmony. May everything I am be always singing out the love in me, always spinning divine frequency. And I can dance in the dark where nobody sees, unravel all of the discord in me with their 8 eyes watching over me. Blessed be. And I can dance in the dark where nobody sees, unravel all of the discord in me with their 8 eyes watching over me, weaving music, weaving music. Grandmother spider in her calls my soul into her web, and I just stop and listen while my whole being is wrapped